I first heard about Belhaven as a transfer student through a couple who was alumni who went to my church in Oxford, Mississippi. They went here years ago and they knew I just got married and they thought that Belhaven would be the perfect fit. And so I traveled here to Jackson one weekend and walked around campus and just got a good feel of it and met a few students, and it was great. The process of transferring to Belhaven was a very exciting process for me. I was able to get to know Belhaven through talking to my admission counselor on the phone. A big thing about transferring to Belhaven was at Transfer BNU Day. I was able to get to hear different speakers. I got to see Dr. Parrott, and he gave a little spiel on Belhaven, and it was very exciting. And then I was able to pre-register for my classes, and I got to meet my advisor, Miss Martin, and she was wonderful. She took time for me, and that gave me a little dose of what Belhaven was going to be like. The way she took time for me, communicated the values of Belhaven, and the way she just told me how wonderful Belhaven would be. And I got to experience that just at Transfer BNU Day. What sets Belhaven apart from other universities would have to be the faculty and staff here. Getting involved in my major and being as a history major here and just getting to meet with the other professors was so wonderful because they're so tangible in the sense that they're always there. They want to know how you're doing all the time. They want you to succeed in the classroom as well as outside the classroom, and I really noticed that with them in the way they were just always asking me how I was, academic-wise, but just in life in general. They care about their students. They don't just want you to get an A in the class. They want to know how life's going for you. And so to transfer into that, in that classroom setting, into that life setting was wonderful because I really got to feel a better idea of Belhaven and understanding this is a community-centered school in the sense that the faculty is very involved in the lives of the students. And so I would say the professors is a major part of the great experience at Belhaven. Get to know the staff, get to know your professors. They care about you, they want you to succeed, and they're wonderful people. And they have great and interesting stories and have a lot to offer. And great friendships can be made out of them. I've got to know my professors really well, and now I have friendships with them. And so I would definitely say get to know your professors, get to know the other students, and get involved. Get involved in campus ministries, get involved with other organizations that Belhaven has to offer. I would really advise that, getting involved and getting to know your professors.